What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be still working on this Datsun 620. We're going to try to get all the stuff out of the bed and all the stuff out of the inside of the truck. It is raining, it's wet, so I'm not really going to move it because I don't want to mess up my lawn and trying to pull this thing with my 4Runner. So we're going to be taking all the stuff out of the back, out of the inside, throwing away what needs to be thrown away, laying out and keeping whatever I want to keep and stuff that I've collected for the truck so we can get this thing on the road. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I appreciate it and stay tuned. Alright, so I don't know what the previous owners were thinking, but if you look at the edges of this bed, there is no parting line. There's supposed to be like a handle here, and it's, you know, kind of split so you can drop the bed down. But this does not have it. It's just solid. You know, they did the whole lowrider thing, I guess. There's a good look at the color. Again, you know, it's raining out here. It's wet. It's got a perfect hole in there. They probably put their license plate in there like any normal people. So here's the bed. Had some sort of little mouse nest, I guess. Got something right there. I wasn't sure what it was. But the rest of the bed looks okay. There's not a whole lot of, you know, craziness. There is a rust hole over there. We'll go over there and take a look at it. But all the rest of this, you know, it looks okay. It's not anything that I'd be too worried about. I mean, not for the goals and what I'm wanting to do with this. So there's a, you know, a close-up of said rust hole. So now that I got the back of this cleaned out, you know, you can kind of look over the rest of the truck. You know, it's looking pretty crazy. Here's a bunch of the rust. Oh man, it's bad. It's starting to bubble back here if you look up on the door. But again, I don't care because that's not really what it can be. Shitty. I'm okay with that. Front glass isn't cracked or anything. I am going to get rid of the windows. No window glass on this at all. Not even the back one, just the front one. So I'm going to go ahead and get the front of this thing cleaned out, and then we'll do a quick walk around in there, and then that'll be it for this video. Okay, so here's the interior of the Datsun itself. Bada bing, bada bing. The dash is still there. Super duper cracked. I think I might just get rid of it and just put some random gauges somewhere, just kind of on like the dash bar that's in there. You know, just an idea. Sweet red velvet seat, you guys. I mean, come on, that thing is dope. Just kidding. Gonna totally get rid of that. I mean, it looks disgusting. Let's see here. Got some tools, some sockets. The seat itself is not bolted down. I've never actually taken it out, so I'm not sure what the floor looks like under there. But this floor, it's definitely got some damage. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know why it's super thin here and then super thick here. But again, I don't care too much. That side doesn't look any better with it. Shifter has a shitload of play. Let's see. All the wiring that I have done is there. I did all that when I first got this thing, just to get it running, and I got most of the lights working back then. The issue I had after wiring everything was the blinkers would quit working once you stepped on the brakes. If you had the blinkers on and you stepped on the brakes, they quit working. If anybody knows a remedy to that or has ran into that and kind of knows what to do about it, that would be really cool, but I don't have a clue. This is it, man. Let's see what's in the glove box. I don't really remember what I put in there, if there's anything at all. Oh gosh, I'm kind of scared of it. It's all spidery. Oh, Well, nothing too cool. Looks like a pencil window roller upper, some sort of relay for something, some pipe fitting. So yeah, I'm gonna use the pipe fitting for something. Tire inflator adapter. Well, that's the inside of the Datsun. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. Here's all the stuff I'm gonna keep that I took out of the back. Those are the rims I'm gonna use. Yes, I know, super duper ugly, but they have a really gnarly offset. So that's why I'm keeping them. That's why I'm gonna use them. Gonna change the oil, never have. I got a jack. Only 3 jack stands, which is weird. I thought I had 4. I don't know where the other one is. I got a box. I'll probably just strap that in the bed somewhere just because. Gas tank. I've actually bought this gas tank. It's a marine one. I bought this thing literally probably 3 years ago. Almost right after I got the truck, because I have no clue what's in the gas tank. So yeah, I bought one. I'll put it in the bed. That's what I'll use. There's rings right here, or the headlight rings without the grill on. You know, kind of no point even bother putting those on. I got a brand new, well, not brand new, a buddy of mine who actually I got my 4Runner from. He got this grill for me. That way I have a grill or something newer. Mine was all busted and broke. But that's everything I'm going to keep. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video today. We cleaned out the Datsun. We took everything out that we wanted to keep. You know, we kept the wheels, the tires, the jack stands, you know, all the stuff we're probably going to use next video when we get this thing moved to where my 4Runner is and up on some jack stands so we can check this thing out. I think it's going to be okay. It's in okay shape. We can cut all that other metal out, and truthfully, I don't really care that much about it. The rain is really starting to come, so thanks for tuning in today, guys. Have a good one.